My video tutorial is about getting rid of the online scam related to the site Carenotifsolution.xyz. Carenotifsolution.xyz is a dangerous site. It may attack Google Chrome and it may affect other browsers. It tries to make you pretty scared about the condition of your computer in order to make you download and install some potentially unwanted applications. And if you see these pop-ups on your computer screen, you need to just leave this deceptive page. Also, I would strongly advise that you additionally research your computer with the help of reliable antivirus such as Combo Cleaner, for instance. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. So go to this page, combocleaner.com, use the green download button, install the application, and once it gets successfully installed, then start carefully researching your computer. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and eliminate other threats from your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of this scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.